everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to open trading demo account. To get started, let's open Forex.com app. It will open this interface. Here click on open an account and it will give you the option. Here click on open a demo account. Now tap on create demo and check spread only account. It will navigate you to this interface. Here fill up the required details and then click on submit button. And it will navigate you to this interface. Here also fill up the required details and tap on start now. Now skip for now. Here you go, you have successfully created trading demo account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.